Good morning. This class is for both 7th and 8th class. Okay, because the first chapter in your book, both the classes is the matter. So I am taking a single class for both the classes. Okay. So today's my topic is matter. You have already studied from the 6th onward that what is matter? That I am telling you that matter is everything, anything that surrounds around you, and it is having the space, mass, and can be perceived by our senses. So the definition of the matter is that it occupies space plus it is having mass and can be perceived by our senses. Perceived by our senses, that it can be feel by touching it, by smelling it, etc. Okay. So the water which is present inside the water, this is also a matter. Okay, because it is having some weight also, it is occupying the space of the container, and we can be perceived by our senses, that we can see it also. Okay, so it can be perceived by our senses. Okay, now the next thing is atom. What is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element. Any element can be there. Different types of elements are there: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus. Different types of elements are there. And what is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element. And an atom contain what? An atom contain a nucleus, and in between the nucleus there are proton and neutron inside the nucleus, and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Okay, in the imaginary path known as orbit. Okay, so this is the structure of an any element. We can say any element, and between it is the circular structure. Between it is having a proton, and P for proton, N for neutron, and E for electrons. So proton and neutron together makes the nucleus, and these electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Okay, so this is the structure of an atom. Okay, now the molecule. Molecule is the combination of two or more atoms. Okay, it can be of same element atom also, or same element also, or can be or can be other element also. Okay, so what is molecule? Molecule is the smallest particle of a substance, not an element, of a substance. Okay, example: oxygen and hydrogen. This two and this two, what it determines? It determines the number of atom present in it. So, and molecule is the combination, or the we can say highest combination of two or more atom. Okay, of an element. Okay, so here oxygen, if 2 is there, that means that two atoms, that is two atom of oxygen, are combined to form a single molecule of oxygen. Okay, understood? Then next thing is the ion. What is the ions? Ions are the atom or a group of an atom having charge over it. It can be either minus charge or a plus charge over it. Minus charge means that it is having the deficiency of number of electrons, and it is having the it means it is having more electron. Understand that it can give its electron to complete its octet, and it can accept its electron to complete its octet. Oxygen having two valency, two ions are there. Why it is having two ions? Because it requires only two number of electrons to complete its octet. And hydrogen, it means that it have extra electron to complete its octet. Okay, till now this much.